What we are doing? Comment, sir.
ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಡಿಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಇದು ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ನೋಡಿ.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್?
ಮಾಮೂಲಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಸಿಗೆ ಬೇಡ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ಬೇಕು Good evening, Aditya.
Good evening, sir.
We left on some in middle, you know.
Sir?
What are the options I given?
4 2 3 1 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 1 2 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 4.
That is a constraint of matrix. A is equal to
2 3 1 minus 4
2 3 minus 2 3 now.
2 3 1 minus 2. B is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 3.
Options number. See, yesterday we taken the option wrong. Okay. Option A is 1 by 11. 14 5 5 1. 14 5 5 1. Option B is 1 by 11. 1 by 11. 14 minus 5 minus 5 1. Option C is 1 5 5 14. 1 by 11. 1 14. Sorry, 1 5 5 14. 5 14. Option D is 1 by 11 of 1 by 11 of 1 minus 5 minus 5 14. Okay. We found AB. AB is equal to what? AB what we got? A into B.
11, sir. Minus 11.
No, AB matrix you tell.
Minus 1, 5, 5, 14.
5
5 and 14.
minus 40.
14. Minus 14.
14 minus 40.
Minus 14.
So now you got determinant of AB is equal to -11, you know. -11. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you find adjoint of AB. Adjoint of AB. I told you how to find adjoint. Change the position, change the sign. You are going to get -14, 5, -5. So again, -5, -1. So change position. Here position you should change. Here you have to change sign. Okay. Now you know the formula for inverse of any matrix. So AB whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of the given matrix into adjoint of that matrix. This is the formula for inverse. Okay. So you're going to get -1 by 11 into -14, -5, -5, -1. Multiply this minus inside. For all terms, it will become plus. Is equal to 1 by 11, 14, 5, 5, 1. Then option A is the answer. Okay. You should know how to find the adjoint. Next question. In matrix, in matrix, in matrix, okay. Five three zero two zero one one two three. 538. 538 201 538 201 123 123. Okay. 123. The value of A11 A11 plus A12 A12 plus A13 A13 is equal to dash. Is equal to dash. Okay, where A11 comma A12 comma A13 are cofactors of A11 A12 and A13. So option A minus 36, option B 12, option C 0, option D minus 8. Very simple it is. Okay, so A11 means cofactor of 5. You should know this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, so is equal to plus of. So leave the elements which are coming in the same column and same row. Then 4 will remain. Plus of 0, 1, 2, 3 is equal to, you are going to get 0, 0, so 0. Plus of 0 minus 2. Minus 2 is the A11 cofactor. So A11 is 5 here. Next to A12 is equal to 3. So you have to A12, that means cofactor of 3 is equal to minus of. So leave the elements which are coming in the same column and same row. 2, 1, 1, 3 will remain. 2, 1, 1, 3. So is equal to minus of 2, 3 is 6, minus 1, 1 is 1. You are going to get minus 5. Next one, A13, element A13 is equal to. So you are going to get 8. So A13 means the cofactor of 8. That means you should multiply plus of. So 2, 0, 1, 2. 2, 0, 1, 2. You are going to get plus of 2 2s of 4 minus 0. You are going to get plus 4. Okay. And now you multiply. So therefore A11 into A11 cofactors, the elements with corresponding cofactors, plus A12 A12 plus A13 into A13. Multiply and add, what you are going to get, check once. Substitute there. A11 is minus 2, A11 is 5. Short banta. Minus 10 now. Minus 10 now, minus 15. ಇಲ್ಲ 538 2013 ಎಲ್ಲ ತತ್ಕೊಂಡು
cofactors of
5 of minus 10 plus 15 plus 30. You should get 0. Yeah, minus 5 minus 3 minus 10. No. 0. Shit. minus 10 plus 15 5 minus 2 the minus 10 minus 15 you are going to get minus 25 32 पर लाइन दूसरा सेट हो गया 0 होगा you multiply the cofactors with corresponding elements you should get 0 no, sorry sir correct determinant you should get sorry not 0 determinant sir minus 2 correct so yes 5 into here a11 is minus 2 of a11 is 5 plus we should get determinant of a plus a12 is minus 5 of a12 is 3 plus a13 is 4 of 8 you are going to get so 2 5s are minus 10 minus 15 you are going to get minus 25 plus 32 plus 12 is the answer B is the answer
Plus 7.
chalo
7 sir.
33 and 4 8 plus 32 you know so ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ
So minus 22.
7
7
7 so if you expand this you are going to get same determinant value okay so therefore this formula you should keep in mind you are going to get determinant value if you multiply the corresponding cofactors and elements of any one row or any one column you can take any one row or any one column so you are going to get determinant of a okay so if you want I will write here
yes sir.
if you expand 100% you are going to get minus 7 only so along with so determinant of a is equal to along with row 1 this is along with row 2 a21 plus a22 plus a23 you are going to get determinant value similarly same you are going to get same value you are going to get when you expand a31 plus a32 plus a33 keep in mind okay next we can move for so in the equations we finished matrices and determinants we finished next we can go with calculus first limits and derivatives can go with calculus. Calculus. First one, limits. Limits of a function. First lesson you take. Limits. Limits of a function. Okay. Limits means first functions. So limits and functions production. The functions. But ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ so see here so if you take so f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 okay so at x is equal to 10 you are going to get f of x is equal to 4 tens are 10 plus 3 you are going to get 43 so this is called as domain value this is called as range value okay so we divided by y also y is equal to f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 here x values are independent okay depending on x y will come or f of x will come so the independent values are called as domain the dependent values are called as range okay so the independent values are called as domain the dependent values are called as range okay so here x values are independent y values are dependent depending on x y will come okay so now what is the value of limits here so this is the algebraic value of f of x at x is equal to 10 is 43 what is the value of limit value so limit value means the approaching value of f of x of the function f of x at point x is equal to some a is a constant for example if you are going to draw a graph for a function the graph is coming like this okay this is f of x at some point x is equal to a so how it is going to approach us from left side and also from right side okay so that value is called as limit value how it is approaches for the nearest values of a for example 1 means left side so you have to reduce the numbers 0.9 0.8 0.7 is 0.6 how it is coming from right side 1.1 1.2 1.3 how the values are coming how the values are approaching for example if you take f of x is equal to 10x square plus 5 divided by x minus 4 at x is equal to 4 the function is not defined the function is not defined at x is equal to 0 algebraic value you can't get but you are going to get limit value okay how you are going to get limit value means how it is approaching from left side and right side so on either side of the point on the either side of the point how you are going to get the answer okay sorry x square if you put x is equal to 2 square by x minus 10. Okay, so this is called as limit. Limit means how we are going to approaching the value. So if you take the algebraic value, you are going to get directly 0. Sorry, not defined. Because 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. If you get anything in denominator as 0, the function is not defined. 0 is meaningless. So then how 0 will become the divisor? So then the function is not so meaningless. Okay, we can call that as not defined. Why we are going to call not defined means 0 is not having any value. If it is not having any value, how it is possible to divide? Okay. Like that. It is denoted by. I will tell you how we are going to apply the limit value. It is denoted by limit as x tends to a f of x. We have to read like this. So limit as x tends to a f of x. Okay. Some important formulas you write. Important formula. First important formula you write. First one, limit as x tends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power of n minus 1. n into a to the power of n minus 1. Second one. So limit as x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So this is called as sandwich theorem. Sandwich theorem. Okay, sandwich theorem. Next one. Third formula, limit as x tends to limit as x tends to 0, 0 function changes. A to the power of x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log a. So where a to the power of x are called as exponential functions. I think I explained what is the difference between exponential functions and algebraic functions. So x square is algebraic. 2 to the power of x is exponential. What is the difference? No. So here the base in algebraic function, the base should be variable. In algebraic function, power is variable. Okay. So in exponential function. Okay. A to the power of x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log a. Next one, limit as x tends to 0, e to the power of x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Next, limit as extends to 0. Limit as extends to 0, 1 plus kx whole to the power of 1 by x is equal to e to the power of k. E to the power of k. These are all important results. Okay, keep in mind. You are going to use this. You are going to use in ನೋಡಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾನೆ
ಹೌದಾ 2 hours ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
3 hours
3 hours.
Okay, we can start the MCQs. How to apply the limit value? Okay, the limit of first question. The limit of first question. Limit of extends to 1. Extends to 1. X cube minus x square plus 1 is equal to dash. Option A. Option A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. So by applying the limit directly, so if anything is there in denominator, if you're going to get 0, then only you have to alternate the function. But by directly applying, you are going to get the value. Okay, in the place of x, you put 1. So you are going to get 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1. You are going to get 1 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 get cancelled. The answer is 1. Option A. Copy fast. Next. The limit of x square plus 1. Second question. Limit of x tends to 1. X square plus 1 divided by x plus 100. You are going to get option A 0, option B 1, option C 2 by 101, option D 2 divided by 111. What is the option? Check once. By substituting 1 in denominator, are you getting 0 or not? No, you are not getting. 1 plus 100, you are going to get 101. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 101 is the answer. Option C. Okay. Next question. Limit as x tends to 2. Third question. Limit as x tends to 2. X cube minus 4x square plus 4x. X cube minus 4x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 4 is equal to dash. Option A 0, 1, 2 not defined. 0, 1, 2. Option D not defined. Sometimes they are going to give infinity. Okay. Check once. By substituting directly 2 for this, what you are going to get? In denominator 0 is coming, you know.
Zeros.
So in
Yes, sir.
that case, you should go for alternating the function. That means that 0 giving term you should eliminate. You should eliminate that 0 giving term. Okay. How to eliminate means either by factorization or by a rationalizing factor. Okay. So here you take x outside. If you take x outside, so in this you are going to get x square minus 4x plus 4. okay, is equal to x into, so this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, like that it is. If you want, you can write x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square, like this it is. So that means a minus b whole square formula, x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so in denominator x square minus 4 is there. So x square you can write that as minus 2 square. You have to apply a square minus b square formula. X plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, so now you can apply. Instead of this, you can write limit as x tends to 2. Instead of this, you can write x into x minus 2 whole square divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. X minus 2 and x minus 2 get cancels. So now you can apply the 2. Check once. Are you getting 0 in denominator or not? See. So if you put 2 here, 2 plus 2, you are going to get 4. But 0 giving term get cancels. You have to eliminate that. Okay. So I eliminated x minus 2. That is only 0 giving term. So you write there. So one more limit as x tends to 2, x into x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So you are going to get 2 of 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. You are going to get 0 by 4. 0 is the answer. In numerator it can come 0, but in denominator it should not. Okay. Option A. Next question. Limit as x tends to 2, x cube minus 2x square, x cube minus 2x square divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to dash. Is equal to dash. 1 no 4 minus 1 no 4. Minus 1 no 1, 4 minus 4. Check once. By substituting x is equal to 2 in the denominator. Are you getting 0 or not? You're going to get 0, you know, in denominator. So in that time, you go for factorization. So you can take x in x cube minus 2x square. So take x square outside. So x minus 2. This is only 0 given term. That you have to eliminate. So x square minus 5x plus 6. So you have to find factors for plus 6. If you multiply, you should get plus 6. If you add, you should get minus 5. 3 2s are minus minus. You can directly connect. If the coefficient of x square is not there, you can directly connect x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, so then you now know that x minus 2 you can cancel. Limit as x tends to 2. So this we can written as x square of x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 2. X minus 2 get cancelled. Substitute that. You are going to get 2 square divided by 2 minus 3. 4 divided by minus 1. Minus 4 is the answer. Option D. Okay. Do one more. Here maximum they given under there. Limit 2 only. But two sums you do have to give. Limit as x tends to 2, x square minus 3x plus 2, x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x square plus x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to dash. Option A. Option A. 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Option B 2 by 5. Option C 3 by 5. Option D 1. You only find this. Next to fourth one,
The denominator is 0.
x tends to 1. Limit as x tends to 1. 2x minus 3. Because 100% question will come for you in this. Into square root of x minus 1 divided by square root of x minus 1 divided by 2x square plus x 2x square plus x minus 3 2x square plus x minus 3. Okay, is equal to dash. Option A. Two x plus x minus 3. So 2x square plus x minus 3, correct? 2x minus 3 is correct. Root x minus 1 is correct. So options are 1 by 10. Option B 2 by 15. Option C minus 1 by 10. Option D minus 2 by 15. Just you go with factorization. So this you can write as x plus 3 into x minus 2. This you can write as x minus 2 into x minus 1. So plus 2 we can change as 2 ones are minus minus. So we will get minus 3 for this. So minus 6 you can change as 2 or 3 twos are. Okay, so you have to get plus 1. That means plus minus denominator. What is the answer you got? 0 now. Now, what you got, Aditya?
1 second, sir.
Oh. So you can write that as x minus 2 into x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2. How you going to get 0? Is to get cancels, you know. I'm going to get 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3. 1 by 5 is the answer. So if you multiply these two, you're going to get minus 6. Find the factors. Again, 2 3s are. So you have to get plus 1, plus 2 minus. Okay. So then you have to use factorization. 2x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 is equal to get 2x outside. You're going to get x minus 1. Again, you take 3 outside here, plus 3. X minus 1. Therefore, the factors are x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Still, you are going to get the same term. If you put x is equal to 1, so you are going to get. So 0 in denominator. Okay, right up to here. I will do the remaining. Okay. So again, x minus 1 you can write as is equal to root x whole square minus 1 square. Because so root x whole square is x only. So x minus 1 only you can get. So 2x plus 3 you write as it is. Okay, so you can apply a square minus b square formula. You are going to get root x plus 1 into root x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. These are all the factors of denominator. Okay, so therefore you are going to get limit as x tends to 1, 2x plus 3 into root x minus 1 divided by, so 2x square plus x minus 3 changed as root x plus 1 root x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, not minus 3. Now that 0 given term get cancels. Now you substitute at the place of x as 1. 2 of 1 plus 3 is minus, 2 of 1 minus 3 divided by root 1 plus 1 into 2 of 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by root 1 is 1 only, 2 into 5 minus 1 by 10 is the answer. You have to learn the simplification. How to do simplification you have to learn. Okay. Based on the formula we can do in next class. Okay. One more method is there, factorization. Now multiplying RF, rationalizing factor. I will tell you.
Sir, 2x minus 3 how it comes?
What are there? Talk loudly.
Sir, 2x minus 3 how did it come? Sir, I can see the board.
Is there a question? It is
Sir, I
there in
can see
question,
the
you check
board.
once. In numerator it is there, 2x minus 3.
Yes, sir.
In denominator we got by factorization, okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can't see the boards.
You can't see,
No, sir.
it is off. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, copy first. After copying you can leave. Thank you, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir.
After copying you can leave.
Yes, sir.